This is already a fail. This is already a fail. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's just me, Tanbari, and today I'm coming to you barefaced with my hair prepped because I am gonna be trying on a new wig. Yeah, so let's get into it. It's gonna be a real quick video of me trying on a new wig. If you remember from either my last video or a previous video, I had tried on ginger hair and I got really excited about it. Yes, I did. But that wig was really cheap and it was tangling a lot, and it was too long for me. So I decided, because I really like this red hair and I want to be a redhead for at least like a month or so, let me try a quality wig. And so I went out to UNice, I think that's how they pronounce it, UNice Hair. Oh, let me grab it real quick. This is the wig packaging from UNice Wig. I haven't opened it, to be honest. I ordered this like maybe a month ago. They took a really long to deliver. Not impressed by that. I bought wigs from other wig companies and I get it within a week, but hopefully this wig is actually really good quality to override the lateness of it. Like, I really wanted to be a redhead for November into December, but anyways, here we are with this new wig. Got some goodies with this package. Lashes. I'm not big on lashes. These are 3D lashes, so I'm probably gonna gift this to my sister. You're welcome. This, I don't know what this is. It's a cute pink color. Brush, makeup brush. You know, I'm probably gonna use this to dye the wig lace because something tells me that the lace is not gonna be my skin tone, because it never is. What else did I get? Oh, fun! To help dry the lace, you know, when you glue it on and keep it in place. This is great. I've been wanting one because I usually use my scarves. Like, I already had my scarf ready, but yay, I shall use this instead. And then finally, what we came for, oh, they got Christmas cards. How cute! Merry Christmas. And what? Santa looks mad. I don't get it. Why is Santa mad? But let's get into the hair. Like, this is why we're here, right? Oh, look at this. I don't know if you guys can see the color. And it says transparent lace wig. So it's very possible that I don't need to color the lace to match my skin tone. This is a bright red. I didn't think it was going to be this red. It feels amazing. Look at that. It feels really great. It feels soft. It does not feel cheap. Not tangling. Oh, yes. Okay, I'm excited about this. Now, I'm gonna try a technique that I've never done before, but I've seen it done on Instagram and YouTube by all the big professional installers. And that's when you like kind of melt the wig cap to your scalp or whatever. We're gonna try it out. Okay, so this is my wig cap that I sometimes use. I usually use black, but since we're going to be melting this to my scalp using a darker brown color versus like this light skin one that came with the package. So I know that what I've seen on Instagram and YouTube is that they go like, they cover it over their ear, right? And then they they cut out their ears. I feel like I should watch a tutorial while I'm doing this. Okay, so she cut a hole around her ear, and then she sprayed the glue around, and then she cut it. This is chaotic. Oh my god, I don't know how to do it. I'm scared. Okay, let's just cut the... Oh Jesus. I'm scared. I'm scared to actually like cut around my ear. Let me get my mirror. The block in the description box. Okay. So. I also don't want to like poke myself with the scissors. There we go. Oh, and don't cut your hair, girl. Don't cut your hair. How are they doing this? I feel like I'm making this more difficult than it actually is. Hey, Will. I don't think I did that right. Sure. Sure. Okay, whatever. Whatever. Okay, and then she sprays along her what? What's this part called? Hairline. Did she put makeup on here before spraying or after spraying? I don't know. I don't know. Okay. She sprayed it first and then she put makeup when it dried. Okay. We got this. Okay. I don't understand the point of this. Am I spraying too much? Okay. So I think what happens is you spray along your hairline and just like around this area, when it melts, you cut it, I think. Yeah. So I'm assuming I have to wait for it to dry. Oh, I look incredibly tired. Some tells me I feel like I should have used a hairdryer to do this. Okay, we're gonna use the brush that I got from the package. Where's my hairline? Okay, my hairline is right there. Okay, so I have a big forehead, Sha. Like, I think my hairline starts all the way here. That is a gift I got from my father's side. They got large foreheads over there. And then after this, I think we then cut it. I think we cut it. Okay. Alrighty. It's been a long day. It's been a long week. This has been the longest week so far this season. At work, at home, your girl has been going through a lot. And I'm beginning to see the bags under my eyes. Golly. I don't like it. I need to relax. I need the Holy Spirit to give me peace because I don't like these bags. It's making me look my age. Like, what? I haven't looked my age in ever. Now I'm beginning to look it and I don't like it. Okay, let's go. I'm not doing this right. I'm not. Oh God. I really am not doing this right. I'm pretty sure I'm cutting my real hair. Jesus. How do they do this? How do they do this? I feel like I've stuck this thing to my scalp. Or to my forehead. This is stuck to my actual head. This isn't right. This is not right, y'all. Oh God. This is already a fail. This is already a fail. I'm trying, guys. I'm trying. This is not working. I think I just had to like pull or tug on it and then cut. Sure. Does this look right to you guys? I might add a little bit more makeup on this side, but okay. Okay, I think I'm done with this. I don't think this was supposed to be showing this much, but it is. And it is what it is. I don't get it, but we're here. All right. Next step is to put on the wig. I usually cut my lace before putting it on, but the girls on the internet, they put it on first and then they cut, which is just like, well, I guess now because like my scalp or my hairline isn't showing, I can cut freely without being scared that I'm gonna cut my own hair. This hair is so red. Oh my god. I'm not sure about this color. I am not sure about this color, y'all. This is incredibly red. Oh my gosh. You see these baby hairs? This is cute. I'm not gonna swoop the baby hair because I don't like that. Sorry, I don't know if I should color it first and then glue it down or the other way around. Let's see what she does. This red is so vibrant. Oh my gosh. It's crazy. Okay now. What lace? Nah, but for real, like, what lace? Okay, y'all. Okay. Do you see that? Alright, let's fix this, fix this, fix this. Are you guys seeing this? Are you guys seeing this? This is a wow. This is a wow. I've never had hair that like, so right now, I'm not spraying the lace, I'm spraying, what's it called, my forehead. And this is why I wish my scalp, my blended scalp, that's where I messed up, this area right here. I cut it too far. Ah! Then, bring the hairs forward. This has been such a process, y'all. Oh my god. Such a process. In the meantime, while this is being laid down, I'm gonna get my makeup on and then we'll see what this looks like, right? Okay, we are back. I went to go put on just a little bit of makeup. Didn't want to put too much because I don't want to waste that effort because I ain't got nowhere to go. But yeah, let's take this off. So this is the glue that I need to wipe off. Also, I think this scalp is actually, my makeup, the makeup that I use for the scalp is a little too dark. Yeah, we're gonna have to go back, wipe this off, put a little bit of makeup on, and fix it. Be right back. I feel like to make this look good, I'm gonna have to like curl the hair or something. This hair is so bright. It's so bright. interesting. Do I want center parting? Or do I want like side? Yo, I don't know about this hair. I don't know about this hair. This is a bit too much for me. It's so red. It's cute though, but it's like, it's a lot. It's a lot. We're gonna take some pictures and see what it looks like after. Ooh, maybe if I straighten it, it'll be nicer. I don't know. At the end of the day, I'm so pretty. Yeah. Excuse me with my dark skin confidence. Let's try this way. I haven't worn side parting in a very long time. And so this might be the hair that warrants me to do side parting again. What do you guys think? What do you guys like? I want your honest opinion, especially about with the hair color. It's so bright. Oh my god, it's so bright. But you know what? It is what it is. I've committed. We're gonna keep this hair. Yeah. When I figure out what I'll do, I'll come back. Came back, styled the hair. I think this is it. I think I am not happy with what this looks like. With the center parting, a little bit of edges there, and then I use my wand to wand it. Yeah, no, this is cute. I'm a ginger. I like it. I love it. I love it a lot. Yeah, I think this is a lot better. Like, it's so crazy what a hairstyle can do. You know, like at first I was weird about the color, but after styling the hair, I think it suits me. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. But yeah, first time styling hair like this. I'm actually pretty impressed with myself. First time laying my hair and melting the scalp and everything. Like, I would say this is no longer a fail. It was a bit chaotic, but we got there. We got there. It looks good. I'm about to go out on a date. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. And I'll catch you guys later. Bye.